Hi, I'm Gabby. A few years ago, some people from Xerox asked me if I would help at one of their meetings. Here's my big moment.
So the waste created by the solid ink printer is considerably less. How much? Well, let's compare.
After I saw that, I couldn't understand why anyone wouldn't buy a solid ink printer. But like, hello, I was 8. So I made this video to find out all the business reasons why solid ink printers really are. Because then I'll know that people will buy lots and lots of them. I think that's good for every kid's future. This is the Xerox campus in Wilsonville, Oregon. That's Jim Rise. Some people call him the father of solid ink. He said that solid ink technology has 3 big advantages right out of the box that make it, and I quote, the right choice right now.
The ability to get vibrant colors on any paper. Print on both sides of the sheet of paper without any show through, and it gives you great media images.
What does that mean?
It means with solid ink, you get great prints on almost anything.
Cool.
You get your first print in only 5 seconds. It's so easy to care for, even a kid could load the ink. And it's a smarter choice. Look, no cartridges. Better, faster, smarter. That's in addition to the benefits for the environment.
Next, we went behind the scenes to find out how Xerox gets those advantages. Here comes the cool stuff.
We designed this printhead and ink as a system for the highest possible performance. We put more ink through this than any other inkjet system out there. For the customer, this means the highest possible speed and great image quality.
A tremendous amount of scientific and engineering effort went into designing solid inks.
So here's where we make the solid ink. We take a lot of care to make sure the ink's of the highest quality and of really consistent quality, because that's what our customers need.
So I could see why solid ink is better for customers today. But why will they still want it tomorrow?
Solid ink technology's extensible.
Extensible? Come on, Jim, I'm 12.
I mean, it's scalable, all the way from desktop printing systems to production printing systems. We've got machines running in the lab that are pumping out pages faster than you can say breakthrough.
Breakthrough!
This has never been seen in public before. It's just a prototype, but it's running more and more like the production unit every day. I can't tell you when it's coming out, but it's on the fast track.
Before we left, Jim had one more thing for us to see. Richie Michelin was with him. They showed us what customers have to do when it's time to change what they called the consumables. Richie changed the stuff in the laser printer. It looks kind of complicated, and when he was done, he ended up with a pile of garbage that looked like this. But all the solid ink printer left over was this. Jim said it's about 10% of the waste created by a laser printer. There are millions and millions of laser printers out there right now making garbage. By the time I could be working in an office like 10 years from now, imagine how big that pile of garbage is going to be. Whose kids are going to have to deal with that? But if those laser printers are replaced with solid ink printers, 90% of that garbage never happens. No wonder Jim is proud of his baby. My mom says that maybe he got to be the father of solid ink because he was in touch with Mother Nature. My mom embarrasses me sometimes. According to one survey, 80% of Americans say their decision to buy a product is influenced by whether or not it's safe for the environment. So I bet a lot of people are going to want to buy solid ink printers. They'll want to because it's better for the future of their planet, and they'll do it because it's better for the future of their business. This is Gabby. Thanks for watching my video, and if you like what you heard about solid ink, stay tuned to this channel. Peace out!